In this video, you'll learn proper grounding techniques and procedures for the installation of the Hunter EZ Decoder System. Power surges and lightning strikes can be devastating to an irrigation system. To minimize the damage that can occur, it's critical that you follow the grounding specifications designated for other decoder systems. Earth grounding is not required on the 2-wire path in the EZ Decoder system, but it may be added in high lightning areas. Using Hunter Dual S surge arresters, connect the surge arrestor ground wire to the earth ground hardware. Earth grounding hardware should consist of an 8-foot, 2.5-meter copper-clad steel rod, or a copper plate installed at least 8 feet, 2.5 meters away from the 2-wire path. Make sure no other wiring runs through the sphere of influence. Depending on the type of soil you have, you may want to use material like power set to surround the grounding hardware and provide a low enough resistance. Hunter ICC2 or HCC controllers should be grounded to earth with the ground attachment on the side of the transformer cover to approved earth ground hardware. Remember that resistance can change over time, so you'll need to schedule a periodic check of your systems to make sure the earth ground is still within proper specifications. Always test your earth grounds to make sure they have 10 ohms of resistance or less. Power surges can cause damage to controllers and other electrical equipment within irrigation systems. By using proper grounding techniques, you can minimize the potential damage if your system ever experiences a surge, such as from a lightning strike. To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.